Get in the mood to clean this room. It's time to clean. Don't you stop till the job is done. Get in the zone. We're gonna make this mess be gone. Pick up toys, put them away. Let's keep this room nice and tidy, okay? Dirty clothes in the laundry bin. It's time to tidy up and win. Sweep the floor, sweep it good. Dust those shelves like you know you should. Wipe the windows, make them shine. We're cleaning up 1 minute at a time. It's time to clean, let's make it neat. Pick up your toys and tidy your seat. Put away the books and make your bed. Keep your room clean, that's what Mom said. Dirty clothes go in the hamper, not the floor. Sweep away crumbs and close the door. Wipe the dust and vacuum the floor. A clean room is what we're aiming for. With every toy and every book, let's tidy up, come on. Let's look together, we'll make our room shine bright. Cleaning up just feels right. Clean, clean, clean your room. Make it sparkle, make it bloom. Put everything back where it belongs. Cleaning up can be so much fun. Now our room is clean and neat. A cozy space, a special treat. Let's keep it this way, day after day. Cleaning up together, hip hip hooray.
Time's up. Did you finish? If not, play the song again and get her done.